English to Welsh, is there, equals.
Oes.
Quick, funny guide. Welcome, your magic key.
Oes.
Ready to unlock Welsh with one tiny question? Stay close, smile, and let's have some fun. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonus practice. Today your mission is the superpower question is there, aka.
Oes.
Raise your eyebrows, tilt your head, open your palm, and ask.
Oes.
Like a friendly detective checking the fridge at midnight. When in doubt, make your choice, just ask out loud.
Oes.
It even rhymes with choice. The core forms, super fast. You'll get this in under a minute, then you'll sound like a local. Question.
Oes.
Equals is there. Statement.
Mai.
Equals there is. Negative statement.
Does dim.
Equals there isn't. Negative question.
Onid oes.
Equals isn't there. Short answers.
Oes.
Equals yes, there is.
Nac oes.
Equals no, there isn't. Mini dialogue at the bakery. Let's act it out. You're hungry, hopeful, and hilariously charming. You, the smell is amazing.
Oes.
Fresh bread? Baker, big grin.
Mai.
And we have.
Rhai.
Warm rolls too. You, yum.
Oes.
Coffee, or.
Unrhyw.
Tea? Baker, tiny plot twist.
Does dim.
Tea today, but.
Mai.
Excellent coffee. You, cheeky check.
Onid oes.
A loyalty card? Baker, wink.
Oes.
And you've already earned crumbs. Drill. Quick-fire choices. Repeat after me, confident, clear, and a little dramatic. At a cafe, ask for Wi-Fi.
Oes wifi.
Short answer.
Oes.
At a museum, maps?
Oes mapiau.
If not.
Nac oes.
At a shop, any sizes left?
Oes unrhyw faint.
At a market, some apples?
Oes rhai afalau.
Compare existence versus identity. Existence.
Oes tocynnau.
Identity.
Ydy hwn yn iawn?
Culture tip. Eisteddfod and a sneaky false friend. Tiny culture snack with a wink. At the National Eisteddfod info tent, people happily ask.
Oes.
For maps, events, and snacks. Fun warning.
Oes.
Can also mean age or era, like.
Yr oes haearn.
The Iron Age, so don't accidentally ask the cashier for 2 eras and a latte. Stick to.
Oes.
When you want to know if something exists here and now. Quiz time. Speed round. Say it before I do. Welsh for is there. Answer.
Oes.
There isn't. Answer.
Does dim.
Isn't there. Answer.
Onid oes.
Word for any. Answer.
Unrhyw.
Word for some. Answer.
Rhai.
Existence versus identity. Existence uses.
Oes.
Identity uses.
Ydy.
Your streak challenge plus outro. Time to use it in the wild. You've got this. Today, ask 3 real questions. In a shop, a station, and a cafe. Try.
Oes.
Seats by the window? If yes, echo with
Mai.
or.
Oes.
If not, reply.
Nac oes.
And try again. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, keep asking boldly, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, quizzes, and fun challenges. Diolch, see you next time.